So if you've ever had a milk bleb or milk blister on your nipple, you know that they are incredibly uncomfortable and quite painful. And so we want to prevent them from happening again and callusing over kind of that nipple exit or nipple pore. And so what I like to do is recommend getting a little bit of coconut oil, putting it on like a small piece of flannel, like maybe cutting off the corner of one of your infant's blankets, putting the coconut oil on there, putting that on your nipple, and then putting a breast pad behind it so that way the coconut oil doesn't stain your clothing, and leaving that on in between feeding or pumping sessions for a couple days, even after the bleb or the blister is gone. And what that'll do is help keep the area really moist, and so that way the skin can't callus over that little hole essentially that's in your nipple at the time. And hopefully after a couple days, you'll find that you no longer need to keep that area moist anymore.